Today, we're talking about a payment solutions provider that has become a major player in the European market. Lemonway. If you've ever used a crowdfunding platform or an online marketplace in Europe, there's a good chance Lemonway was working behind the scenes to handle the payments. They provide a specialized service that helps these platforms manage complex payment flows, like collecting funds from multiple buyers and distributing them to different sellers. This is more than just a simple credit card transaction. It involves creating and managing what are known as e-wallets, or payment accounts, for each user on the platform. So, just how many of these e-wallets has Lemonway issued? The numbers are pretty impressive. Since becoming a regulated payment institution in 2012, Lemonway has issued over 8 million payment accounts. That's 8 million individual e-wallets that have been created for users on the more than 1,400 marketplaces and 200 crowdfunding platforms that they serve. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to the growth of the digital economy in Europe and the increasing reliance on specialized payment providers. It shows the massive scale of these marketplaces and crowdfunding sites, and the trust placed in a company like Lemonway to handle the financial side of things securely and efficiently. With a number that high, it's clear they are a key engine driving the digital marketplace ecosystem in Europe.